Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 66 Mustang. It is now an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth and USB. This comes from Jason in, looks like Manlius, New York. I hope I'm pronouncing the city correctly, and we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to AM at the moment.
Daily Wire's not just calling for the
one strong AM station I get.
We're going to give you an alternative because children.
And while we've got it on talk radio, let's test our balance and fader and all that cool stuff.
Wonder and these glorious
balance
stories
left.
Of fairy princesses and
balance
princes
right.
and all the
left.
different things the great
right.
writers at Disney have come up with through the years.
Okay,
when
let's
they actually
activate the virtual front rear fader.
Kids need that, and since they can't
fader adjust.
All
the
right,
Daily
so
Wire
now.
Corporation
All the way rear,
that they
all
are
the way
investing
front,
a minimum
rear,
of $100
Okay, I'm going to center the speakers.
into new
Fader set.
Fader set.
as an alternative.
Now, after she says fader set, you want to remember to return your tone control to the optimum listening position, which for most people is going to be all the way up. Okay, let's test the. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode. We don't need this stuff anymore.
So when I said to you before, do not let your
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, Bluetooth ready to pair, so it's now trying to pair with a portable audio device, and of course I don't do all that on the video. I just make sure it goes into pairing mode, indicating it's working properly. Let's test the USB reader. I got my radio commercial here.
Very dangerous individuals with their very, very dangerous.
Got a Mustang, buddy, it's a 69.
To the Magic Kingdom.
Alrighty, that's my radio commercial. Alrighty, let's switch over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go, off, on. And I'll just run down the dial, stopping very briefly at the station so we don't get nailed for copyright stuff.
Was to show that he is.
Oh, yo fui alguna.
You know how we all been funny. It's not that far away, and try to get to show their.
The problem is not all cholos are racist.
Percentages are in.
No, I really like
Your property, save money.
Okay. Let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, let's change tracks a bunch of times.
Come on, baby. Let's go city up. Everybody calls her bad girl. Tweedledum, tweedledee, down, 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 rather stand. Oh, what you doing to me? Let's go city up. Only that's her.
Alrighty, pull the tape out. And the radio comes back. Alright, let's test the dial light. And that's flashing on and off. You can just barely see that little green glow flashing on and off in response to my pushing the button. So that takes care of it. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next video, I guess. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen what I can do to your ancient AM 8-track. We can make it an AM-FM 8-track with Bluetooth, USB. We can even add HD radio. An aux input is always added at no additional charge. And so thanks so much for watching, listening, guys. My website and phone number are in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a 15-minute barrage of questions, because that's what the website's for. You're welcome to call me after you visited the website and you have some idea of what I'm about. So thank you also, Jason, for your business clear from New York, and we'll see you guys next time.